first restaurant I see in Poland is a Middle Eastern place, falafel. That ticket price from the airport to here was 17 Polish zloty. There's graffiti everywhere. Like wherever you look, there's graffiti. My Airbnb's in a scary building. Look at this European fridge. Look how small it is. Wow. Beauty from Ukraine. Wow, what a beautiful car. I'm actually seeing Middle Eastern food more than I am Polish food. Wow, it's very lively here. I'm seeing different crowds of people, very diverse crowds. I love it here, guys. It's beautiful. What's up, everybody, and welcome to a new country, guys. I'm in Poland. I'm in Krakow, Poland, actually. I've never been to Poland before, so I honestly can't wait to discover this country. I've met a lot of cool Polish people in my life where I'm from in Canada, so I'm very excited to be here. I just landed here from my first Ryanair flight. It honestly wasn't as bad as people make it sound like online. Maybe I got lucky. I had nobody sitting next to me. But that being said, guys, I am here right now in Poland. I found out that the train only takes about 5 minutes longer than taking a taxi or Uber. I'm just gonna take the train. I'm gonna experience how it is. I'll bring you guys along with me. I'm heading to an area called Kazimierz. Let me go find this train and let's get to my Airbnb. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of what I got. If you look over here, guys, it says College do Centrum. That means train to the city. What's cool is the train is connected to the airport, so you don't have to leave. So I need to get to Krakow, Grzegorski. But if you look at the map over here, guys, there's no Krakow Grzegorski. It says it's right after Krakow main station, but this is what comes up after Krakow main station. I'm not sure if the name changed, but hopefully I get to the right place. So guys, I just got off right now. That ticket price from the airport to here was 17 Polish zloty. I believe that's how you pronounce it, zloty. It's right away. So listen, beautiful city, but there's graffiti everywhere. Like wherever you look, there's graffiti. And these buildings are beautiful. It's a shame that there's graffiti all over them. Look, all along there's graffiti. This is so funny, guys. The first restaurant I see in Poland is a Middle Eastern place, falafel. And the second restaurant I see is also Middle Eastern food, Syrian street food. As I mentioned, guys, there's a lot of graffiti all around this place. Guys, my Airbnb's in a scary building. Okay, you know what? It's actually not that bad. Look, you walk in, kitchen, little living room over here with a European TV. This is the bedroom. Where's the lights? Nice bed, very nice bed actually. Good size room. Living room here, which I probably won't be using much. Kitchen again, which I probably won't be using much either. Look at this European fridge. Look how small it is. Wow. And what do we have here, guys? Okay. Oh, genius. Oh, nice. Toilet. Is that a washer? Wow. I've never seen a washer like this in my life. Look at that. My God. Yeah, and this is the shower here. Not bad. Actually not bad. What did I pay for this? Let me tell you guys right now. Guys, this place is $69 per night. 69 Canadian. I'll put the conversion to American for you guys. Alright, let's go head over to the main square now and get a feel for the area. Guys, this is Kazimierz. So Kazimierz is the place you want to stay, apparently, when you come to Krakow. Apparently at nighttime, it's really lively. Right now, not so much. What time is it right now? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a really cool place to be. There's a lot of bars, a lot of food. So for now, I'm just gonna go check out the main square. I need a couple bottles of water for my room. And maybe I'll grab a coffee. Damn, look at this beauty from Ukraine. Wow, what a beautiful car. It's a decked out Mercedes-Benz. And it has the Ukrainian license plate over there. Very nice. Oh, I just passed a whole bunch of restaurants selling hummus and all this Middle Eastern food. Very interesting to see here in Poland, guys. I'm actually seeing Middle Eastern food more than I am Polish food. Isn't that beautiful, guys? A little before and after. Look what they did over here. I love that. So guys, I'm in the main square right now. I think it's literally called main square in English. Let me tell you guys something crazy. The busiest stands here are all kebab stores and shawarma stands. Now don't get mad at me, but I think I'm gonna grab one. I need to taste it. I'm a little bit hungry, and I don't want to have Polish food yet because I'm gonna save that for a whole video where I'm only having Polish food. I've only had pierogies before. I've never had like different types of Polish food, but I'm gonna have everything. It's just gonna be a whole video by itself though. So I think right now I'm gonna grab a small shawarma right over here in the main square, and I'm gonna go for a walk and find some other stuff too. 17 swate for a shawarma. Let's see how it tastes. They're the busiest places here, guys. All kebab shops. Not bad at all. Wow. Listen, it's not the best shawarma that I've had in my life, but when you're hungry, any shawarma does it. I'm telling you, when you're hungry, there's nothing like a shawarma. But I can't, honestly guys, I can't wait to have Polish food. I'm gonna explore a little bit more, look around, pick up a couple bottles of water from my room. I'm gonna go back to my room. I'm gonna rest for like half an hour because I've been up since 2:30 in the morning. And then I'm gonna come back out and I'm gonna start making some videos. The vibes that I'm getting right now, I think you could see all the important things in Krakow with just like a 2-night stay here. It doesn't seem like it's too big. Like I've already walked around for like 30 minutes and I've seen like 3 or 4 things that were on my list. You probably need one day to see the salt mines and Auschwitz, and then you need another day just to see the old city and Kazimierz itself. I just got a scooter. Let's see how it is riding around here. The old town is about a 20-minute walk away, so I figured, you know what? Whoa, let me scooter it there. So I get back to my room faster, rest, and then start the rest of my day. This area seems much more busier than the area I'm staying in. Online, if you read, everyone says Kazimierz is the spot, but I'm right here in the old town. Wow, it's very lively here. All around, guys, there's restaurants. For some reason, this one's empty, but the rest are all pretty busy. Like, they all have people in the patio. Except this one, I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it's very expensive, I'm not sure, but there isn't one person in the patio. But all the other patios are very busy. Yeah, so all the bars on this side, so to the right of this building over here, all the bars are so busy, guys, my god. It's funny, I was just about to say, it feels oddly quiet in Krakow. And I came to the square and I found out this is the spot to be, guys. Very nice here, very good vibes. Patios are busy, sun is shining right now. I'm seeing different crowds of people, very diverse crowds. I love it here, guys, it's beautiful. And here, guys, is a lineup of chariots. I don't hire them though. I don't know why. I feel bad for the horses. What's interesting is all the drivers of all these horses, they're all female. I'm okay, thank you. You guys, be careful with the Polish pigeons. They are so heartless. My god, they come crashing into you if you get too close. Like, they're flying so close to you. It's unbelievable. I've never seen pigeons like this in my life. Only in Krakow.
Oppa.
Oppa. Very cool looking buildings here, guys. This square is the place to be. It's very lively, as I mentioned. Honestly, I'm mad I didn't get my hotel around here now, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe Kazimierz comes alive in the nighttime. I don't know. But to be honest, I'm not even a late night type of guy, so I think I would have rather stayed here because I do like to see life when I come out of my room. All right, everybody, I need to get back to my Airbnb, charge up my phone, my camera, you name it. I've been out and about since 2:30 in the morning. Right now it's almost 4 p.m. I need to charge up my phone. I need to relax for about 30 minutes. If you enjoyed what you saw today, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye from Poland.